Hi dear friends, a very important news for Civil Service Exam 2020 prelims. As per the news of 29th April, that of yesterday, that the exam will be likely be postponed. There is a chance to postpone 2020 prelims examination. As per the Ministry of Honorable Minister of State for the Ministry of Personnel and Department of Personal Training, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh, according to him, he said while giving an interview to the DD News. So, believable source is from Ministry, and he was discussing these things in an interview with the DD News that there is a possibility of postponing this prelims examination, and the fresh date will be announced after May 3, and he said there is no chance to set up an online test because the applicants number of applicants is very huge, and he says required there is a huge demand to postpone this exam because because of coronavirus, and he said adequate time will be given to get the exam centers to for the students to reach the exam centers and to avail other facilities just like rooms and all. Okay, as per his statement or the interview details, the prelims 2020 would be postponed, uh, just like last year's interview, civil service 2019 interview is halfway now. Some candidates already given the interview, but some candidates has to be given their interviews, it's pending. Then CAPF 2020 notification, etc. Many exams are getting late. It means most probably civil service exam will also be get postponed. In this time, how you should streamline your preparation, whether it is postponed or not. This is the golden chance. You are sitting in your home and studying, no other distractions. It's a full-fledged time to get into the hard work. So there is no distractions and all, so sit and study. Though it is getting postponed, you have to write the exam, right? And the dates or the time is same for all the candidates. So this is God given chance to get into the service. As of now, if you analyze your preparation, you may see some laggings in your preparation. You make it up and go ahead with full confidence. Don't make excuses, just be on line, study well, don't waste time, and don't take excuses do not construct monuments. If you need the result, if you want to get IAS in this time in 2020 examination, be very serious and study well. Best wishes.